What are you doing here? With a weapon?
Give me your hand.
You don't even know who I am.
Do you think Ikoro cares about who you are?
Ikoro. What a name. Seems your mouth is faster than your brain.
Say that again.
Wise man, listen.
Do not talk to me like that. I am the son of Ebubedike.
I have been existing long before him.
What did you just say? Say that again! And I will cut off your head. You do not have respect.
There's one who have been dead many times. Get scared of dying? Perhaps I should embark on my journey again. Been wandering around Uru for so many years. Why are you looking at me like that?
I want you to be mine. Do not laugh. Do not laugh when the son of Ebubedike is talking to you. You listen. Are you all?
Ebubedike, the greatest of all the kings that live among the 7 clans of Imo. I am that only king who uses the skulls of other kings as obele. I have everything. I have a son who fights as brave as a spirit in battle. And I have a daughter who is gifted with the extreme gift of wisdom. I have everything. What message is that you have said you have brought from the gods? What message?
Si wole wole so bi apoto so kwanta bi si blood ja si wole wole fara tum. Ebubedike. Doom is locking.
Doom. Did I just hear you say doom?
Ebubedike, yes, you need to make a sacrifice of a bull to the gods.
Why are you making me angry? I am that one who they should be feeding with the bulls in sacrifice as a god. Why are you asking me now to be the one that is offering a bull to the gods? Why?
Tomb.
My father.
Tomb is close.
I think you need to listen to Ijeri.
Shut up! How did he even become my son? Look at your brother. He has traveled all the way to Igala to fortify himself for what lies ahead. To become a man and become like me. What do you do every day? Lazy around the whole of this kingdom looking for something that you are going to drink. For you are drunk every time of the day.
Exactly my point.
Shut up, shut up. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight immediately.
Yes.
Get out! Yes.
Nobody raises his sword towards me. I will spare your life simply because you are an heir to the throne of Anukba. Don't be a lunatic. I've been here long before you. Long before your grandfather and your father. I give peace to those who seek it, and doom to those who deserve it.
You should have insulted me. Why did you mention my father? Ebubedike is a demigod.
That is what he says he is. But I, that have been here for a very long time, know that he is in fact not a demigod. Don't be foolish. Get up. Continue your journey. Don't seek war when there is no cause for war. That is what a real warrior does. Choose your battles.
Show yourself! My name is Ikoro, great son of Ebubedike. I am not scared of you. I am not scared of you. Show yourself! Show yourself.
Ijere, I just need you to know you have brought a wrong message. So many things may be possible, but it is absolutely impossible for Doom to come to a demigod. Or have you forgotten who I am?
I have not come to learn who you are, but I have come to tell you that which I was asked to say to you.
How can the gods bring a message of doom to a demigod? How? And this message is coming from a woman. Ijere, if not for one thing, I would have taught you a lesson you are not ever going to forget in ages. I am a demigod. Of all the kings in the 7th class of Imo and even beyond, I am the greatest. There is nobody who has been born who is mightier than I am.
Ebubedike! I will leave. But do not say I did not give you this message. Ebubedike! Ebubedike! Ebubedike!
I would have cut off your legs. Now, men of Anaba, I need you all to look at me and tell me if you do not consider me to be a demigod. Do you know of anybody who is living amongst the 7th class of Imo who is mightier than I am?
Ebubedike, Ebubedike, the only man that dines with gods and women. The only man that refuses to die when death calls. The only man whom death fears to look at.
Shut up your mouth. Stop that insult. What is wrong with you? Why are you calling me a man? I am no longer a man. I have become a demigod. Is there anybody here who believes or who thinks I am not a demigod? But you were.
Your Highness, you are.
Obiora, do you think I am not a demigod?
You're a demigod, Your Majesty.
Ogona, do you think I am not a demigod?
Come back! Come back and finish what you have started. I am not afraid of you! And repeat, my name is Ikoro, great son of Ebubedike. Whatever I start, I finish it. I am going to wait for you here. I will wait. Of course, I know you will come back. Why am I even wasting my time? Baranka, a man calls.
No, please. No, don't cut it. Don't cut it. No, the world will be in total turmoil if you do. No, don't cut it.
Shut up! You speak nonsense. Bow the dash! I told you. You started it. And you have to finish it. I am going to have your body. Yes. After that, I will take your head to Ebubedike, my father, whom you insulted. Whatever I start, I finish. Oh. What a smooth body. I like this. Oh. Listen to me.
Ishi Ogono, I am going to ask you again. Do you believe I am a demigod?
Your Highness, I told you about my dream. The dream was so real, so scary to be ignored.
I am talking of something that is very important right before us, and you are insulting me by telling me about your dream? Ishi Ogono, I am asking you for the very last time, giving you this chance to possibly salvage yourself. Do you think I am a demigod?
Your Highness, you have every right to answer whichever name that sounds pleasant to your ear.
Ishi Ogono, are you aware I can actually cut off your head? Do you know that?
For saying my mind?
For saying rubbish. Are you aware?
For saying the truth?
Shut up. Shut up and stop provoking me.
Your Highness, let's talk about my dream. In that dream, an angry-looking bird perched on your throne and the throne caught fire.
Yes. Are you listening to this son of a cow? A useless bird perched on the throne of Ebubedike of Anopa, and the throne caught fire? Ridiculous.
That is not all. In that dream, I saw you being led away like a slave.
What did you just say? Gods, take this fool out of my sight. What are you doing back here?
Ebubedike, no man born of a woman is a god. This is a message from the gods. You are mighty. You are great. But you are a total weakling.
Ijere, how dare you?
This is a message from the gods, and I am not done yet. You need to cut down your pride. Our little bed will spew fire on you, and you will sleep like an ember of a lazy blacksmith.
You and your gods are crazy. Where were your gods when I moved as a warrior and dismantled the whole of the people of Asa? Where were your gods when I led the warriors of Anoba in battle to take over the entire people of Ugezu? Where were your gods when I dismantled all the structures of all the people of Ebube? Did your gods participate in the battle? Where I conquered everything that liveth in the land of Kamala.
Ebubedike, your father died because of pride. I see that you want the same fate to befall you.
Did you remember what I told you to go and tell your gods? Maybe you have forgotten. I'm going to repeat it. Go and tell them that I said they are crazy.
The bird that flies with a loud wind defecating on the soil will eventually eat you. The gods have said it, and so shall it. They have said it, and so shall it. Ebubedike, they have said it, and so shall it.
The gods have said nothing because they cannot be talking to them. Now listen to me, Ijere, as you keep looking as a useless woman who is in dire need to be laid. Let this be the very last time you will get anywhere near my palace. This is exactly what will go into your womanhood. And is there anybody here who actually feels that I am not a demigod? You are a demigod.
You are a demigod, Your Majesty.
Am I not even more than a demigod? Am I not a god already?
No! No! Not let you have me!
So why? So am I.
I'd rather go back to Darlington than let a mere mortal have me.
I say, there is no one here to save me. I must have you. You know why? You insulted Ebubedike! And where I come from, we are not known for forgiveness. So, I must have you. I see.
You will not.
Then, I will have your head. Oh, I see. She did this again. Even in death, I will have you.
Ijere the great man, I greet you. Ure, perhaps you will be the one to listen.
Yesterday I spoke with your brother on his way to Igala, and he called me a fool. Today, I went to your father with the message from the gods, and he threatened me. He said he was going to cut off my legs.
Great one, please, what is the message about?
Oh. Doom.
Doom?
It is ready to swave like a hawk.
Can we talk about this in your hut, please?
With this, my father will give me a new title. My name is Ikoro. By the way, I will have to continue my journey.
The weather is hot. The sun will also shine. That's why they used to sing Mirinezo, Anwuneti, Mirinezo, Anwuneti. Hey! I greet you! Dalo! Call the Olubo well, eh? Are you a goddess? Or have the gods blessed you with so much beauty? Anyways, I see you are not from around this kingdom.
Yes. I got lost on the way.
Oh, sorry.
I'm thirsty.
You are thirsty?
Yes. Do you have some water?
I don't have water here, but I can take you to my palace and fill your stomach with plenty of water.
Palace?
Yes.
Are you a prince?
That is what my people say. But if you look at me, very well, you will observe that I am Odum, the happiest man alive. Sorry. That is what my happiness does to me. It comes from the inside. You want water?
Yes, please.
Give me your hand. Water you shall have. Don't happiness. Hey! People of Anukpa! Yes, so I have found myself a wonderful treasure. Nobody should come close to this one. It is for me and me alone. Do you people understand? For me and me alone. Ofen Salam. Let us go. Hey, Sheba up what?
Is it still saying the same thing?
It has been saying the same thing since the last Eke Market Day.
So what am I going to do right now? What should we do? The same thing.
A sacrifice of a cow must be made.
I have to tell my father. I'll leave now.
Where are the maids in this palace? Behold, I have won myself a trophy. Come, please, and I'll tell you my trophy. Oh, that is wise. You're a wise woman. Father, beautiful one. This is my friend Arude. I have brought her all the way from a very far distance.
Beautiful lady. You are not from this land.
No, I'm from...
Don't bother yourself where you came from. That's not a problem at all. But looking at you, you are qualified to be the next queen of this kingdom.
My king, my eyes are here, sir.
Father, she has traveled from a very far distance. She's tired, she's hungry, she needs to be...
Odum, if you know what is good for you, bundle yourself into your heart before I order the guards to flog you like a common criminal.
That's very interesting.
Come with me to my temple, which I have in abundance, as we get other things prepared for you. Let's go.
Is it fair? My father has touched me somewhere very painful in my soul.
I have father's voice. Where is father?
Ure! I brought a woman of my choice all the way from a very far distance to show our father. And he took her into his chamber. Is it fair?
So where is father?
Is it...
Shut up!
Oh, it's not fair.
Can you just keep your mouth shut?
I've tried my best.
Father! Father!
What is it?
Please, I need to speak.
What
with
is
you.
it?
Let's talk about something.
Is it that you don't have something in your brain? I have a visitor who must not be kept waiting and you are disturbing me.
Father, this is very important. You must see Ijere.
Do not disturb me with any nonsense that has got to do with Ijere. There is something that is mightier than 20 Ijere put together that is in this compound. Now that thing is inside my chamber. Go and ask the maidens to prepare nsala soup for this guest of mine immediately.
Father, this must wait. You need to see
Shut
Ijere.
up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Have you seen it now? Is it fair? Is it fair?
Can you just shut up?
Is it fair?
Her Royal Highness, you must be the princess.
Yes, I am the princess.
I'm Arude.
Okay, you are welcome.
I thought we agreed to go to my hut and sacrifice ourselves together.
I don't think so. No. Her Royal Highness, I'll be inside.
Okay,
Is it fair?
this is strange. Why did I not feel a heartbeat?
Is it fair? Did you see what I was telling you?
Can you shut up?
Is it fair?
Shut up!
Oh, it's not fair. It's not fair. Today, I must end this disrespect in this house.
Odum, where did you say you brought that maiden from?
Ure, do you have to know where I brought her from before you tell your father to give her back to me.
Odum,
Fairness is fair in all fairness. Let us always do the right thing.
you think I'm joking? You think I am joking? I want to know where she is from. I want to know who she is and why you brought her here. Why did you bring her? And where is she from?
Ure, why are you always against me? I just told you now that your father snatched that girl from me. And you are here changing the thing that I'm telling you. Is it fair?
I smell danger in this palace. I just hope it doesn't get bad before everybody realizes there is danger.
Is it fair?
Don't just shut up.
It's not fair. Yes, I'm a fool. I'm telling you something that is important to me, and you are telling me about danger. Is it fair? It's not fair. Did she say she smells danger? I cannot smell anything. Danger does not loom around me. It's not fair.
There is more where this came from. I just need you to enjoy yourself.
This is fine for now, Your Majesty.
When I look at you, I have a reason to conclude that the gods are partial.
Why do you say that, Your Majesty?
Why will I not say that? I mean, how can they endow only one person with all of this beauty? When I look into your eyes, I actually see eyes of a goddess. It appears as if the sun and the moon are rising in your face.
You really have your way with words.
Yeah, but I am speaking the truth. Do you know what? When you are done eating, I will take you out, show you around this kingdom. I am going to take you beyond the Njaba River, where I conquered the invaders that were coming to destroy my land. Because of what I did, the best sculptor in this kingdom actually created an image of my face, which is standing right on the center of that river. I will show you.
Wow, impressive.
Enjoy your meal.
Father, please can you tell your visitor to excuse us? I need to speak with you right now. It is very important.
Urena, is it that you don't have sense or that your brain has actually started to leak? Why will you barge in on me? Can't you see I have an important visitor that I am attending to?
Father, this visitor can wait. This is about this kingdom and it is very important.
You can talk to her, Your Majesty.
No, I cannot talk to her because you are the focus now. You know what? We are going to the river.
Father, can she step aside and let me speak with you?
Go.
Father! Father!
Father! Father! Where is Father?
Father has gone to the river.
What is he doing there?
I don't know. Ikoro, there is danger. You need to see Jerry.
I do not need to see Jerry. Not after I've gone to Igala to fortify myself. I bring Father a human head. It is a sign of valor. Take a look at it.
No, please. I am not going to do that. There is danger ahead. You need to see Jerry.
Why are you scared? No harm will befall us. Do you know that? Immediately the charm was placed on the center of my head. I was able to get home just by snapping of my fingers.
Now, does this stop this death when it comes to you if it's coming from your chi? Will it?
I will be in my heart.
You need to see Jerry.
I do not need to see her.
You must see.
I will kill him and kill myself. I can endure anything from him. But the woman I love.
Would you ever stop talking to yourself, Odum?
Oh, thank the gods you are here. Ikoro, thank the gods you are here.
What is it?
I will do what people will snap their fingers when they hear of it. Nobody will steal the only woman I have fallen in love with. Not even father.
What are you talking about?
I was on my own. And the gods blessed me with a beautiful maiden. Fair, inside out. I brought her to see father. And father turned around and told her to marry him. Is it fair? It's not fair.
Wait. Odum. You want to drag a woman with Ebubedike?
No. It is father that wants to steal the only woman I have fallen in love with.
You are mad. You are out of your senses. Look, I do not want to see you with this cutlass again. You heard what I said.
Is that all you have to say?
Do you want me to say something else?
Hey! I will do what? In fact, I will kill myself and kill everybody. I will do what? Ikoro! I am telling you that the thing that is most important to me, and you are telling me to keep the cutlass. No! Let me finish this thing very well. Somebody will go down for it.
There is a strange woman in my father's house. She has turned my father into a plate of pounded cocoyam. She is so beautiful, yet her eyes are full of vengeance.
Where is she from?
I don't know. I asked Odum where he brought her from. He said she is his woman. That's all he can say.
Your father has slim chances of grace from the gods. And might be too late by sunrise tomorrow.
Ikoro, we need to save father.
What did you just say?
I said we need to save father.
Ure, what is wrong with you? Let me ask you. What do you think that can harm a man who has wrestled and beaten his spirit?
A strange woman came to the palace today. Where she came from, who is she, I do not know. I know she has used a love magical spell on father. And father is madly in love with her.
Father in love with a woman? Ah, the best news. So, what is your problem? Is it because you want father to marry your friend?
You're just not serious. I'm not talking about that. This is serious. We need to save father. It's not about that.
Listen, Ure. Our father, Ebubedike, is a strong man. I mean, no woman born of another woman can harm him. So just go and rest. Don't forget about Jerry and her blind Alpha. Please.
This is all you have to say.
Can I have my drink in peace? So father is in love. Finally.
Hey! Let us come this side. Take the fish to the mates. Ask them to prepare it for my love.
What did you call me?
When a woman has captured the heart of a man, is there anything that is left? It is still very funny how I have become so soft.
This is what love can do. Actually, I think this one came from the gods. Yes, I was prayed for you by the gods of the land.
You are right.
Let me go inside.
Right there.
Where is my woman? Give me back my woman before I do this.
If not that you are my son, I would have commanded the bees to feast on you.
Father! Your son is back. 45, like a god. And I bring you a gift. You can make it your cup for midnight palm wine.
Son, after all these years, I have finally found a woman who can suit me. Today is indeed the happiest day of my entire life.
Who is this woman? Any woman who can make my father this happy deserves everything.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Exactly. You can actually say that again.
Where is she, father? I need to see her.
Arude, come, my son is back. Come and greet my son.
Prince.
Father, is she the one?
Yes, she is the one. Is she not very beautiful? Oh, the way you are looking, have you both met before?
Yes.
No.
Your Highness.
What is it?
The white men that came in through Arochukwu, they are about to cross our river. And there are many.
They came back to my land?
Your Highness, the truth is that if they eventually cross the river, they will capture you and the entire kingdom. And all we have worked for.
Ikoro,
Father,
take care of my woman. Let me take care of this business.
You are dead. What are you doing here? Oh, you want to cast a spell on my father, right? Listen, I am going to pretend I do not know what is going on. But you know what? You have to go back to the land of the dead.
It's too late for that. Your father has won my heart.
You are not human. How do you intend to go about it?
That's none of your business. And besides, you can't give me all these unpleasant options. This time, I am in charge of my existence.
You do not exist. You do not exist. Listen, I want you to live here in peace. Else, I will trap you with my strong charms.
That's not going to work on me. I will stay, Gidiba. And your charm doesn't work on me.
Is that what you think? Let us see, then. You think I'm joking? You want to try, right? You think I am joking, right? You think I am joking? Do not come close to me.
Ikoro, did you use charm on that lady?
You said there is something strange about her.
I didn't ask you to hurt her. You cannot bring a lady into this palace to hurt her.
She has to leave this palace.
I thought you said you were happy for father.
I was, but not anymore.
Then maybe you will have to speak to father to let her leave. But do not forget, he will never forgive you if you do that.
That maiden is not who father thinks she is. You were right when you said there was something strange about her.
Have you made this move?
What is wrong with you? Are you going mad?
What do you think you're holding?
Where is she?
Where is who? Okay, at this point I think you are going mad. I have told you before and I am telling you again. Too much of charms is making you go mad. You are losing your sanity. You better
I am
get
not
it.
losing my sanity.
Then what is wrong?
You are a woman you do not understand.
Interesting. Ijere is waiting.
Ugezu, you are such a fool that you don't know that the dead cannot die in their time. I didn't come here for you. I came to enjoy a certain kind of love that I haven't enjoyed before. And when it's time for vengeance, I will deal with it.
You will do nothing. You do not know what you're doing. My name is Ikoro. Ikoro Mo. I will make sure you leave this palace. I will do everything within my power to make sure you leave this palace.
Why is she? We need to send her out before the king returns.
This is what I don't want. I don't want us to send her out with violence. I want us to send her out peacefully.
She will not leave until she takes her revenge.
Revenge and what you've been about, we haven't offended her.
Ure, where is she? Ikoro, where is she?
She's at the back of the hut. What do you want to do?
I need to appeal to her to leave.
You are not of us. Why have you come to us?
I didn't come to you. I don't know you. I am here because the king has found me worthy to sit by his side as his queen.
What can we do to make you leave us?
Nothing. I came on my own, and I will leave on my own.
When you have gotten your vengeance?
I don't have to answer that. This has gone beyond you, wise one. Go home. And let it be the way destiny has meant it to be.
Is she going to leave now?
She is not ready to leave us.
Why? I will bury her alive, I swear by the gods.
Ikoro, do you know this girl? Are you owing her anything?
No, I have asked you this question and you have refused to answer me. Do you know her? Or just maybe you have forced your way into her?
Ikoro. Ikoro. The danger is right before you. This is the doom I was talking about.
So what are we going to do?
Only the king will decide. The gods will be angry at me if I interfere because the king called the gods crazy.
What did you...
My princess, is the fish not ready yet? Could you tell the maidens to get me some, yeah? Pico?
Ugola, so you are here. You haven't heard.
Heard what?
Ikoro.
Is he back?
Yes, but you won't like to hear the next story.
What did you say? Is he hurt?
He is not hurt, but he's about to hurt someone. And that person is you.
I don't believe you.
He's about to break your heart. He came back with a beautiful woman from Higala.
I don't believe you. Did you see him with the woman?
Have you forgotten my sister is a maid in the palace?
I don't believe.
Someone said they saw them walking home, holding hands like newly married.
I don't believe you. Ikoro is a man of his words. He promised not to hurt me.
You seem to believe him. No problem, I'll go.
Wait, Hako. Wait.
Can't you say something I will give? What? What is the problem? Ebubedike, can't you go see again? I greet you. I'm happy to see you here. I was actually coming to your house. Ikpe ran into my compound, screaming, there's problem. I was asking what is the problem. He couldn't talk. So I was coming to your house. Let us go to the palace to see if the king is okay.
Ebubedike and his best warriors went to confront the white men that want to enter our land through Arochukwu.
Oh, Demigod, that means it's not the king that's in trouble. I asked him, he couldn't talk. He's so scared to talk. I think he saw something scary.
Ibe,
Mazi,
what did you see?
I took the bag inside and
And what? I can't hear what you're saying.
That's exactly what I'm telling you.
Okay, let us go to the palace to know what is going on there.
I think that's the best idea.
Yes.
Let us go.
No.
No.
What is up?
Huh? What is wrong with this young man?
Don't understand though.
Who are you? So it's true, you woman of Igala. You have come to snatch my man from me. Do you know how many years we've been betrothed? Do you know how many sacrifices we've made for this union to work? Do you even know there is an oath-binding Prince Ikoro and I?
One who aspires to be the future queen of Alukpa Kingdom is about to fight a woman who has done her nothing. Wise women don't rant.
Did you just say I'm ranting? Don't let me leave a mark on your face.
And what mark will a child possibly leave on me?
Hey! Ugola! Did she just call you a child?
Did you just call me a child, you husband thief? Are you mad?
I dare you. Dare you to or else you will swim in the river of doom forever.
I'll be back for you. Ikoro! Ikoro! So it is true. It is true you came back with an Igala woman. What would happen to me? What would happen to me?
Ugola, I advise you go back home. This is no time for ranting.
What did you just say?
You heard me.
Ikoro, you told me you were going to Igala to fortify yourself, and I've been busy making sacrifices for your safety. And all you do is pay me back by bringing another woman? Ikoro.
Who even told you I came back with her? Oh, yes, I mean, who told you I came back with a woman from Igala?
Doesn't matter who told me. Did you not come back with an Igala woman? The woman even called me Emmanuel.
Listen. Ugola. Like I said before, go back home. I do not have time for this, please.
See, let me make it clear to you. No woman will share you with me. Tell that woman to go to wherever she comes from. So, Yana.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, not for now.
Okay. Let me bring water for you.
Okay.
So you now want to take my place in this royal house? Hmm? You sit here like a queen. You want to eat the food that is meant for the
To not exchange words with a common Ugola. Show her why you are called the potential queen.
My prince, I have served the fish.
Okay. Did you add enough of that substance?
Yes, I did.
Enough. Good.
Let me go and serve her water.
Beautiful.
I like your spirit. Nobody should take what does not belong to her. And as for your husband thief, you better start living because your plan has failed. Ikoro is betrothed to Ugola, and they are both under an oath.
Do you know how many princesses that have eyes on him? Yet, they can't come close to him because Ikoro is mine. He is mine.
Why is she even sitting when the potential queen is standing while hitting?
Do not touch me again.
Shibo! Hi!
Ah!
What's wrong?
Ah!
Somebody help!
Ah!
Hello! Hey! Hey! Ugola! Hey! Hey! No! Hey! Ugola! What's happened? Hey!
Ah!
What's wrong?
Ah!
Somebody help! Hey! Oh, no! Hey! Ugola! What's happened? Hey! My prince,
What is it?
what's that happened?
What happened?
Ugola!
Ugola did what? What did you do to her?
Ugola!
What did you do to her?
I don't know.
I am asking you, what did you do to her?
I did nothing to her.
Ugola!
What happened to her?
I do not know what this evil woman here has done to my beloved.
What did you do to her?
I did nothing to her, Your Highness. She ate the fish, and then she started screaming.
Ifebuche, what did you do to her? What did you do to her?
My princess, please don't hurt me.
I was not talking to you. What did you do?
My princess, please don't hurt me. I didn't do anything to her. I didn't do anything on my own, please.
I said she did not put anything in the fish. She did not.
Ikoro, do you know the gravity of what you have just done? Do you?
Can you not see that this evil woman here has successfully murdered my beloved? Are you not supposed to do something about it?
Ugola, please, open your eyes and talk to me. Talk to me, please.
What are you staring at? Seize her at once!
Yes, my prince.
What did you tell the maid to add to that fish?
Was only protecting my family.
Do you know what you have done? What are you going to tell father?
Are you going to tell him?
Of course I will tell him exactly what happened.
You do not have to do that.
Why?
No, you don't have to do
I
it.
will do that because I am Wada. If I don't do this, I am going to die.
Wait. Ure. You want to defend an evil woman against your own brother?
If Ugola's father comes here, what are you going to tell him? Think.
What is happening here? Who banned my woman?
The guards.
Your Majesty.
You are the one who banned my woman?
Your Majesty, Prince Ikoro asked me to do this.
Are you not afraid to die? Ikoro asked you to tie my woman, and you obeyed?
Father! Father!
Where is Ikoro? Ikoro! Ikoro!
Father!
By any means, were you the one who ordered the guards to tie my woman with a rope?
Father, this woman is not what you think she is.
I did not tell you anything about her. The only instruction I gave you was, look after my woman. And all you could do is to molest her. I saw it in your face. Right from the very moment you set eyes on her, you hated her. Why?
Father, this is not the problem right now. There is bad news. He asked Ifebuche to poison her. But Ugola ate the fish.
Who's Ugola? My only. How could you do this to my only daughter?
My beautiful one. I hope you are not hurt. I am so sorry for what happened. So sorry. Let's go inside.
Ebubedike, Ina goes inside. What about my daughter?
Isiembadiwe, what happened has happened. I am going to give instruction to the guards who will bring her remains home.
Why did you do that?
Get your hands up! Do not come close to me again.
Hey, you are telling me Gunishi.
Dishe, why won't Ebubedike punish Ikoro for committing an abomination?
It seems like the sun rose from the wrong side of the egg today.
We should stop talking about where the sun rose from. We should go and confront Ebubedike.
Did you say confront Ebubedike?
Let him hand over Ikoro to us for punishment, or better still, banish him from this kingdom.
No. I left my own liver, strong and healthy. Just to follow Ebubedike to the side of Ikoro. To stop the infection of the white man who came through arrows. What did I get in? The cause of my own leader. How can I be at this?
See, we should go and meet Ebubedike. Let us stop delaying.
Have you seen what the gods were warning you about? I told you. Go to Nigeria. You refused. You said she's only a woman. That the charm or power, whatever you went to Igala to get, that it has made you invincible. Have you seen what you have done?
It has happened. But do you think I do not feel bad for the death of the woman I love?
Or the one you killed?
I did not kill her.
Killed her! However it happened, doesn't matter. You killed her. Now you must go for cleansing. Because what you have done is an abomination. A great one!
So it has been your plan. You want to chase me out of my father's house.
You must be very stupid.
Do not call me stupid again. Else I...
What? You will kill me the way you killed Gola.
I did not kill her.
You killed her! You did! You killed her! Like I said, however it happened, it doesn't matter! With all the greatness and your charms and everything, I wonder how you even thought that the poison will kill a woman you couldn't kill with your bare hands. What were you expecting? What?
I do not have time for this.
Of course you will have time, because you will not sleep in those huts. Yes, you will go for cleansing and go into exile. Excuse me.
Ikoro! What I heard, is it true?
It's true. Ugola is dead.
I heard she ate some fishes and died.
Who prepared it?
Forget about who prepared it. What has happened has happened.
Oh, what has happened has happened. Why do I have a feeling that you have a hand in this?
Are you out of your mind? Have you joined them? Wait. How can I willingly kill the one I love?
The one you love? Talking about love. Father once said he loves me. And then he took the woman I brought home. What?
Father! Father, where is my woman? Father!
What's in that bag? The one your son gifted you?
A symbol of valor. If you want, I can give it to your father. As I already gathered, your father is a great man. That is the kind of gift we give to great men.
What is it?
It is the head of a human. A head of someone very important in a very far land.
What if the head was from someone you loved? Someone you know?
No. My son is well trained. He is a warrior of super repute. It is not possible for him to cut off the head of someone he knows, someone who is known to this family, and bring the head home. It's not possible.
Can I see it?
Why not? If you want me to show you, I will show you.
Father! Where are you? Come outside here. There'll be no peace for you if you don't give me back my woman. For crying out loud, the other time I journeyed to a very far distance to bring a wonderful woman for myself. And you said she is not a noble woman. Now I have brought an offense seller for myself, and you took her away from me. Is it fair? It's not fair. Come outside now. There will be no peace for you. I'm waiting, oh. Come out. Now, you, go inside. Bring him. Go inside. As the prince of this kingdom, I command you two urchins to go inside and bring him out here. I want to behead him.
Can you just ignore the fool? Let me just go ahead and show you the head.
Oh no, wait, I don't know if I can sleep with it at night. Yeah.
So what do you want?
Maybe you take it with you?
That is not a problem. That is not a problem at all. Hey. Bring it close like this.
I'm talking to you and you're looking at me? Oh, is it fair? It's not fair. I brought an offense seller for myself. You people were here. You witnessed it. He took her away from me. Is it fair? It's not fair. Now you, take this. Hold it. Let me go in there and deal with him man to man. He thinks I'm a small boy. Father, I'm coming for you now. When I grip you now like this, you will not even feel your legs anymore. Come outside now. My body is blooding, hotting now.
Ugola is dead. The gods were right when they said Doom will visit the royal house like a hawk. It's Ikoro. He poisoned the fish through a maid that Arunde, the strange woman, was supposed to eat, but Egola ate it instead. At this point, I am tired. I just want to run away. I want to go far from the village. I feel like running away. Ijere, can you hear me? 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 Why are you smiling when you said Doom is about to hit the real house?
Because the gods have promised that I will not behold it with my eyes.
You are going to another land.
Who knows what the gods want?
Ijere, the wise one, please help me. Some people have been flogging me. Please help me. I don't want to die. It was Prince Ikoro that made me into it. Hey! Ijere! What happened? Ijere! Hey! Hey! Oh!
I will not rest until Ikoro pays for the death of my only daughter.
Let us wait till tomorrow to see what the king will say.
Don't even go there. Don't talk about tomorrow. Is Ugola not one of his subjects? A woman that's supposed to marry his son. He's supposed to take action. In fact, he's supposed to hand over Ikoro to us for punishment. Or even better, I think we should order his 8th grade to go and drag him to the village square for punishment. That is the right thing to do.
My elders, it is not as easy as you think.
Greetings, my elders. The king asked me to call Iche, Ebubedike, and Iche Obiora.
Now he's talking.
That's good. That's good. That's better. We are behind you. We are coming. We will make sure that the right thing is done.
You're right.
Let us dance. Your Majesty, you have not said anything.
And that is because I am still planning on how I will say what I plan to say. Why are you unnecessarily in a hurry? Or are you going to force Ebubedike to speak? You want to force the word out of my mouth? Is that ever possible?
I'm worried because the sun is setting. That is why I'm worried.
I don't understand. Why are you worried? Are you the one who is going to be spending the money? I am the one who will be spending the money. I am the one who summoned us here. And that is because I wanted us to plan on the marriage rites that we are going to perform tomorrow at Ajali.
Ebubedike, did I hear you say marriage rites?
Yes.
Which marriage?
Marriage rites because tomorrow we are traveling to Ajali to go and pay her bride price. Look at that maiden that is stayed in the center.
What?
From here, look at Ukumwa.
We lost Nwada, a maiden of this land. And what seems like Ocho in your house, an abomination. And you are talking about marriage. Shouldn't we do the first thing first?
You're right. But the way is in pain. We should do the first thing first.
Okay, if I may ask, what is the first thing first that we must do that is big enough to force me pause my own life? What is that?
Your Majesty, you are the custodian of our tradition. You cannot claim ignorance to this. Any other person that commit this kind of crime we are talking about, that take a life of a member of this kingdom, is always punished. So what we are saying, you should give us Ikoro to be punished for the crime he committed.
Ichie.
That is what we are saying.
I had always suspected this. Just that I was never sure. Ichie Obiora, I know it. So this is your plan all this while to kill my son Ikoro. You had always disagreed with me in council, but I never knew you were indeed an enemy. I never knew.
Your Highness, Obiora here has not seen anything wrong. What Ikoro did was abomination and he should be punished.
Of course. You are right. Wait for me, both of you.
What was that?
Hey! Hey! There! Hey! Hey! Ebubedike actually shot at me.
Ebubedike really aimed at us. He wanted to kill us. This will not slide. It's an abomination to point gun at a kiss man.
You are right. You are right. We are going to gather all the youths, all the elders. All of us will go to Ebubedike's house. All of us will go there.
Mbadiwe, where are you going with the gun?
Mbadiwe, wait! Mbadiwe, come back!
Oh, let's go and stop him.
How do you stop an angry man with a gun? How?
This will cause more trouble.
There's nothing we can do. I'm yet to recover from the shock Ebubedike gave me. Let us go. Get away. Ebubedike, you will hear from us.
Ebubedike.
Ebubedike, come out here. We are going to settle this once and for all. You can't just kill my daughter that way. Come here! Listen, I am ready to take a life so that the spirit of my daughter can rest.
What have you done, Mbadiwe? You shot my brother?
What are you saying?
Did you just shoot my brother?
I've not fired any shot here.
So why is it like this?
What is happening here?
Mbadiwe just shot Odum.
You ask the guards.
So this is you? You actually came into the royal family to kill my son?
Ebubedike, is this a setup or what? For me to forget my daughter?
Will you shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Who shot Odum?
Mbadiwe just shut up.
Did you shoot my brother?
Shut up! Is there not a gun in your hand?
Father! No! Father, no! Father!
Stay out of this.
Father, no, please.
Stay away. Let me send that son of a cow where his daughter is.
Father, please.
Stay away. Stay out of this.
Please. Father, Odum is dead.
And what am I supposed to be doing with his remains? I should eat it? Bury him.
It's gone down. I will take care of him.
The next time you point a gun at me, I will have your head on a platter.
Are we asking for too much? What we are saying that our tradition must be obeyed. Ikoro should come here and receive his punishment for killing Nwada. That is our tradition.
That is our tradition. But if at the end of the day, Ikoro failed to be here to clear the air and
and receive his punishment, I will go straight to the palace, I will kill him and create havoc in this community.
Badiwe, so here you are talking about me. After killing my brother Odum, right? My elders. Mbadiwe shot my brother Odum and he died at the spot. Denied.
He's talking rubbish. You are saying nonsense. How could I have done that in the presence of the gods and nothing happened?
Did you or did you not visit the palace with a gun?
I did, but
you did, but what? But what exactly? You killed a king's man. And here you are planning my banishment. You want to banish a potential king for the death of your daughter.
But Mbadiwe, you didn't tell us you killed Odum when you went to the palace.
Explain yourself!
Does it mean you cannot stand at a place for once? You don't have a stand. Is that what it means? I did not kill anybody.
Do not deny it! If you deny it, I'll bring one of the guards here to say it to your face.
Which of the guards are you bringing here? Who told you that?
Uwa told me he saw him.
Ikoro, why are you lying? You want Uwa to come here and lie to the elders? This same Uwa you're talking about told you that Odum was there before Ebubedike came in.
That is not true.
Can you just let me talk?
Talk what? What do you want to say?
Ikoro, you should be asking for forgiveness now. He is here already. Punish him for his crime.
Seize him!
Seize him!
What up?
I see.
What did I told you? This boy is evil. He's an evil child.
I think I need to do something quickly. I have to do something. Something has to be done.
My prince, they are coming to take you away by force.
I am prepared. I am not scared.
I overheard them say they will come with a strong witch doctor who will break your spell.
Like I said before, I am prepared.
I am not scared of them. None of them will go down before anything happens to me.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Shut up! I told you I do not ever want to see you in this palace. Now you will go in there, pack your things and get out. Now.
You do not have the right to discharge any guard.
Shut up, you idiot. You should think about what you will do with Odum's body and just keep your mouth shut!
You betrayed me before them. You did.
Ikoro, you're still talking. You still have mouth to talk. You have mouth to talk. Just pray we both live to see the sunset. Do you know the gravity of what you have done?
You caused this! You caused it! You were supposed to stand by your brother, but you never did.
Because I do not want to stain my hands with blood like yours.
Okay. I see.
Dear
I am prepared. Let them come. They should come. Let them come.
These charms you have will never work, you know that.
I am not talking about charms. I am talking about physical strength, physical power. Let them come. I promise them, a lot of them will go down before anything happens to me.
Arude, my love.
My king.
I will no longer allow you go back to your people because I am going to make you my wife.
What makes you think I will marry you?
Because I am Ebubedike. Anything I want, I get. Hey. God. Hey.
You don't even know what I am or where I came from.
There are some people that will be bothered about that. Not a man like me. For the very first time, a woman has consumed my heart in a very significant way. Even my late wife, with all her majesty, with all her beauty, she was not able to do to me what you have done for me. It is on that note that I am asking you, what can I do to make you my wife?
You said you love me.
I love you with everything in me. And let me tell you this, let us assume you are a deity. I am prepared to be making sacrifice of 7 bulls to you every other new moon, because the moon actually rises in your eyes. Hey.
So, you will do anything I want?
Just mention anything you want me to do and consider it done.
I want you to meet my father.
Settled. Before the cock will actually crow, I will send words to your father to let him know that I am coming to pay your bride price. I am coming with my men, and I am coming with the loudest music we have in this kingdom.
My king. I don't like such promotion. And my father is a wealthy man. And he doesn't like that kind of attention.
So, tell me what he wants. Tell me the best way to approach your father, and I am going to play your game by your standard. I just want you to be my wife.
We go alone.
Well, if that is what will make you happy, consider it done.
Alright.
So, can I now swim in your river of joy? Can I?
Anything for you, Your Majesty.
Where have you been?
We have been looking for you.
I was lost. But this great man helped me, found me, and took care of me.
Who is this man? Nobody refers to me as this man. You are standing face to face with Ebubedike, the greatest of all the 7 kings of the 7 clans of Imo.
What did you just call yourself? Great men do not call themselves great.
We need to go home for the passage glosses.
But Father, Ebubedike here is here to ask me to marry him.
Without his people.
Ikoro, can you stop? Besides, I love him. And we don't need his people.
You want to make my daughter your wife? Yes. I have brought you special gift. Gift of human head. I already heard you are a great man. And this is the kind of gift great men give to other great men. What is inside? Human head. Take a look at it yourself.
What? I will kill you myself!
Is your father a king?
No. Why do you ask?
Father. Father.
My princess, the king is not in his chamber.
Where did he go to?
My princess, the king just left the palace.
Where did he go to?
We followed him to the boundary and he asked us to go back.
This is strange. Where is the strange woman?
She left with him.
To?
My princess, he said he was going to see her people.
Where?
He did not tell us.
And you couldn't follow him?
I'm sorry, my princess.
Just shut up, you bunch of idiots.
This is the road that leads to Ajali.
My king, my love. I never mentioned Ajali.
You did. You mentioned Ajali.
No, I did not. I mentioned Ajilija.
Ajilija? The same Ajilija I know?
Yes. I've been wandering between Ajilija and Uru for ages now. I'm happy that I have someone to stand beside me forever.
Who sent you? Do you even know who I am? I am Ebubedike, the demigod. Ebubedike, the greatest. Are you not aware?
Sometimes the demigods miss their ways forever.
You are a sheep. You are very small.
I'm actually a hawk. I steal the chick from its mother.
Men like me, we hunt the hog and we feed on them for fun.
Don't waste my time. Let's go.
Are you not afraid of Ebubedike? I am going to tear you into pieces with my bare hands. Don't provoke me.
Say that again and see what I'll do to you.
You don't talk when I am talking. I am Ebubedike. Nobody speaks when I speak. Nobody challenges me.
You're wasting our time. Let's go.
So if I am not Ebubedike, a woman would have killed me. How will this news spread all over Olunibo? Mainly among the 7 clans of Imo, that the almighty Ebubedike was finally killed by a woman. Tufiakwa! Tufiakwa! How did you do it?
It's getting late. Let's cross.
Please. I beg you. in the name of whatever you hold sacred. Allow me go back into my body. I am no longer interested in whatever that is existing between you and I. Please, do this for me. Biko.
It's not possible.
No, please. Please make it. Listen, I remember the day you allowed me to gain access and swim in your river of joy. I still remember the things you told me. I still remember how you were screaming and you told me you loved what we were doing. For old time's sake, Biko, please.
Ebubedike, the greatest king, just like so many men in history, you shall go down for that river you speak of.
I do not want to die now. Please, let me get back into my body, please. Make it possible.
Ebubedike, you are dead. You need to accept death, for it has accepted you.
No. It cannot accept me.
It's time for you
I do not
to
want to
join your ancestors. Let's go.
No! No! No!
What is it? Where's that woman? If a woman can kill my father, the great Ebubedike, with all his charms, then who am I? Ah! Death has no respect or fear for anyone. Ebubedike.
Are we not there yet?
This is Ajilija. We'll soon get to Ajofia. If they reject me again, we will wander here until the end of time.
How is my father?
I am sorry.
You can do something, right?
There is nothing I can do. The spirit has passed Ajilija and now heading to Nodimma. He will never come back again.
We can get another cow for another sacrifice. You just have to do something, please.
If it was something a cow could solve, I would have told you.
You just have to do something, anything. Okay? My father cannot die just like that. Great Ebubedike. It cannot be said that a woman from nowhere came into this palace and killed Ebubedike. Mbano, something has to be done.
Can we see you, please? There is nothing I can do. Please let me see you, please.
Ebubedike. Ebubedike.
Ebubedike cannot die just like that. No.
Ebubedike.
I'm begging you, I need you to help me. Whatever you want, I will give it to you. Bulls, cows, how many? I will give it to you. Just help me, please.
It is not in my hands to bring him back to life. Even the gods won't help at this point. Ebubedike is dead. He is gone.
But he has so much to amend. He has so much, please.
Ebubedike. Ebubedike. Oh, Saye.
What are you all doing here?
If you know what is good for you, follow us to Amma. And if you refuse, you burn down this house. Your punishment, I will see there.
I just lost my father. I want you all out of this palace now.
And if you refuse to go, what will happen?
I will shoot your legs.
Mwatara! You will shoot him like you want to kill him with the way your father killed Odum. Kill us. Touch him. Touch any of us and you see that we will set you on fire here and now.
What did you just say?
I said we will set you on fire.
You will set Ikoro on fire.
Yes!
You heard him clearly. You will set you ablaze if you raise your ugly hand on any one of us here.
Oh, I see. You all came prepared.
Seize him!
You're not scared? You walked in here. Not scared that you might get killed. Are you out of your mind?
Young man, we are looking for the house of Ebubedike.
It's over there.
Can you show us the way?
Let's go.
Take us there.
For the last time, I want you all out of this palace.
We are looking for Ebubedike.
And who are you? Can't you see we have a problem here?
If you talk to my father like that again, I will cut your leg. We are looking for Ebubedike. Where is he?
He's inside.
Whose bag is this?
How dare you touch that bag? What gave you the right to touch it?
You killed my sister.
I do not want to be angry. I want you to leave this kingdom in peace.
Father, permit me to deal with this boy.
Do not try it. Do not call me a boy. Do not try it. I am the future king of this kingdom. You do not call me a boy.
No, you are not our king. You have the blood of Wada in your hand.
Exactly.
You cannot rule us.
What happened to my daughter? You killed my only daughter. I do not know who your daughter is. I have not met her before.
Then how is her head in here?
You deaf. I said I have not met his daughter before.
Is that not her beads on your neck?
She insulted me! She called me weakling. She said my father is not a demigod. She insulted my father!
The people of Anupa, you had your prince. He killed my only daughter.
Do whatever you want with him.
Cut off his head. An eye for an eye.
We will take him, Father, with us. Let us show our people who killed our sister.
You are right. We're going to take him home with 7 maidens.
That's good.
What is going on here?
I can smell it. You are the daughter of Ebubedike.
Yes, I am.
Your brother here killed my only daughter. And according to our tradition, we must go home with women. We don't forgive killing of Wada.
What my father is trying to say is, we have to go with you.
But I am not part of any of this.
I don't care.
Fine, then just let me give my father a befitting burial,
I
please.
know.
I owe him that, please.
We must go home with his body. And we will know what to do with his head.
That's wonderful. Carry that useless man's corpse and go. He cannot be buried in this land.
Please, great man.
I am Ogidika.
Thank you. Ogidika, please, can you spare our princess? She is different. She have no hand in all this.
Will you replace her with your daughter?
No, Mbapa.
Boys, help them and bind Ikoro here.
Ebubedike. Ebubedike.
Move. Father. Can we let her go?
No.
Please, Father. Please.
The answer is no.
I do not want her to get hurt.
Son, what has come over you? Let us go.
We have her father, Ebubedike. And we have her brother too. These are enough.
Enough? Enough to make up for the killing of your sister?
It's okay. I can go if this will cause problem. Let's go.
Listen, where we are going is not meant for people like you.
Tell her no more.
We are wanderers. We've been wandering for ages. Our place does not exist. Go. Go.
He's my brother. Ikoro.
Go.
So, what are you going to do?
Ebubedike, Ebubedike, Nokumamu, Osa, Saye, Samosa, Haye, Ebubedike, Ebubedike, Osa, Haye, Samosa. Ebubedike, Ebubedike, Nokumamu, Osa, Saye, Samosa, Haye, Ebubedike, Ebubedike, Osa, Haye, Samosa.